Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the harmonica. This will be a video for beginners and it will be a full tutorial. So, how to play the harmonica for beginners, a full tutorial. Let's get right into the video. Hopefully me flipping the harmonica doesn't throw you off because I flip things like I'm a drummer, so I flip things all the time like drumsticks, and I can do this pretty much infinitely without dropping a thing. Like literally, I'm that confident. Anyways, it's not that inexpensive of a harmonica anyways, it's just a beginner harmonica. My dad actually gave me this as a gift. He has a few harmonicas and I wanted to learn how to play, so he said, here, just take one of mine. Very simple. So, very easy to play the harmonica. You have one side that has all of these holes, and that's the side that you sort of move the air from. Now, you can move the air by blowing or drawing, which would be like sucking in air. So I can blow forward, or I can suck air, I can draw air. Different sounds, listen. Two different sounds on the same spot on the harmonica. Now, you can play a few notes together by sort of wrapping your lips around the harmonica, like that. Or you can play single notes by sort of like puckering up your lips, just making a small airway like this. Okay, you get the idea. I was throwing myself off there by bouncing. But you can play multiple notes or single notes, like this. Okay? Now this one actually has a sort of this button which will change the pitch to a little bit higher. So, but not all harmonicas will have that, and different harmonicas are going to be different sizes, right? Some are smaller with fewer notes, and this one's a little bit larger. This one says it's a Victory brand name harmonica, and it says Chromatica, yeah, Chromatica harmonica. So that's, I don't know the specifics of what that means, but I think that's the name because it's much bigger, so it gives you a bigger chromatic scale, okay? Now, how to hold the harmonica. Well, if you have a smaller one, you can hold it with one hand, right? This is a little bit bigger, so you kind of need two hands. You want to avoid holding it like this because then you're going to block the airway. Not a big deal, but you want to try holding it like this. Like a sandwich. You're taking a nice bite of like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or a cold cut sandwich. Like that, right? That's how you're holding the harmonica, but you're not taking a bite out of it. You're blowing air or sucking air through it, okay? Okay, now as you heard right there, we went from high to low. When you're looking at the harmonica, the left side are the lower notes. The right side are the higher notes. And you can just go across to hear the range of notes that you can get from your harmonica. Okay, and I'm going to suck in now. I mixed up my airway there. I'm going to draw air once again. Okay, I'll blow out air now. And then suck in air. Produce a really cool sound. But that's essentially it. I mean, the harmonica is one of the easiest instruments to learn how to play, but one of the hardest instruments to learn how to master. So you can probably learn how to play a harmonica in like a few seconds. Actually, when I brought this home from my parents' house, I had picked up my daughter from daycare. She was in the back seat and she wanted to try it out, right? I just finished cleaning it. So it was perfectly clean and everything was good with it. And I gave it to her and she just started playing it. And she's 3.5 at the time of filming this. And she just started... Right? So it's easy to learn how to play. If my daughter, that's 3.5, can learn how to play it in a matter of a few minutes, then anyone can learn how to play it quickly, but it's hard to master. That's the thing about the harmonica. But that's it. That's how to play the harmonica. Fairly easy and straightforward tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.